Hello everyone, welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video we're going to look at the details of how you can get started with the free tier with Amazon AWS and what services it includes. Let's go ahead and get started. AWS Free Tier offers free access to many AWS services, allowing hands-on experience with cloud computing. It benefits students, developers, and business owners by enabling them to test applications and run small workloads for free. AWS Free Tier allows new customers to explore AWS services without upfront costs. It includes always free services, 12-month free services for new customers, and short-term trials for limited durations. To get started with AWS Free Tier, create an AWS account by visiting the AWS Free Tier page, clicking Create a Free Account, providing your email, creating a password, and following the setup prompts. To verify your identity on AWS, enter your personal information and provide a phone number. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. To use AWS Free Tier, you need to enter your credit card information for identity verification and any charges beyond free tier limits. Staying within these limits ensures no charges. AWS offers several support plans. For the free tier, the basic support plan is sufficient and is free. Log into the AWS Management Console with your new account, explore the different services, and start building with various tools and resources. Here are some of the most popular AWS services available in the free tier and how you can use them. Amazon EC2 provides virtual servers in the cloud, perfect for running applications, websites, or development environments. The free tier offers 750 hours per month of T2.micro or T3.micro instances for the first 12 months. You can use these resources to launch your first website or build and test an application. Amazon S3 offers scalable object storage for files, backups, and media. The free tier provides 5 GB of standard storage. It's ideal for securely storing personal data, website files, and backups in the cloud. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that runs code in response to events without managing servers. It offers 1 million free requests and 400,000 gigabytes to seconds of compute time per month. A common use case is creating a serverless function that processes data when a file is uploaded to S3. Amazon RDS is a managed relational database service supporting MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle. It offers a free tier of 750 hours per month for db.t2.micro instances for the first 12 months. It is ideal for setting up a fully managed database without maintaining the underlying infrastructure. Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database designed for high-performance applications. The free tier offers 25 GB of storage, 25 write capacity units, and 25 read capacity units. It is ideal for building fast, scalable databases for mobile apps or real-time applications like gaming leaderboards. Amazon CloudFront is a CDN that delivers content securely with low latency. The free tier offers 50 GB of data transfer and 2 million HTTP/HTTPS requests. It improves website speed and reliability by delivering content closer to users. Amazon SageMaker is a fully managed machine learning service to build, train, and deploy ML models. It offers 250 hours per month of T3.medium notebook instances for the first 2 months. Use it to train and deploy models, analyze data, or build AI-driven applications. To manage your AWS free tier usage, monitor your usage with the AWS Billing Dashboard and set up billing alerts. Use Cost Explorer to track and optimize usage. Set custom budgets with AWS budgets and stay informed about free tier limits on the AWS free tier webpage. After the 12-month free tier period, services outside the always free category will be charged at standard AWS rates. Always free services remain free within limits. To avoid charges, terminate resources like EC2 instances or RDS databases. AWS Free Tier is a great way for beginners to explore cloud computing. You can access virtual servers, storage, and serverless functions without financial commitment. Follow the guide to sign up, start building, and unlock the potential of cloud computing today. Well, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you would like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. I'll see you in another video soon.